All right. Yep. All right. Yep. We're good.
I need to practice this. So why am I turning that way?
Yep. Go right. Turn right.
What?
Straighten out. Steer right. You've got steering now. Oh my God! Let go! Let go! Let go! Let go! Okay.
Ooh, I managed. Oh!
Okay.
Funny. I don't think I managed to do this.
Let go of the boat. Let go. I got it. I got it. Hold on. Okay.
But in my ankle.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I guess.
All right.
Well, we'll see if I find out there is a little pain. Hit something. Now, how do you get back into this?
All right. What do we do?
Yeah.
Hold on to the. Keep holding on to the boat.
The rope is sitting.
Yeah. Hold on to this boat. Let go of mine. Let go. Yeah. Hold on to mine.
To yours?
Yes, to mine.
Okay.
Oh, we're going downwind. This isn't good.
I almost paddled it back up.
All right.
I'm using my.
Do you think you can get in?
How do you usually do it?
I don't know. I can maybe lift you up.
I don't know if I can get back in, but
Try and get on your stomach, I think. Is the better.
Really?
Yeah.
Do it that way?
Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna get on the other side. So hold on to this kayak.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go to the other side.
Yeah, but that's gonna flip on me. This.
No, it's not. Just keep holding on.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Look. Okay. Tilting this way.
Yeah. That's why I'm coming to the other side. Okay.
Now what?
Now, try and climb on. I'm gonna stabilize you.
Stabilize me. Yeah. Not easy.
If you can't, I can just take us in. If we can go to the island if you want.
Let's go to the island, not suffer here.
Okay.
You know. But hold me. How can you do that? Because I felt safe and I was holding on to both of these things.
Yeah, I need to get in this boat. I can't paddle us in this. Swim around to mine and hold on to.
Shit.
I'm gonna get in the driver's seat. Now. Swim around, if you don't mind, back to the other side.
Really?
You're gonna be in this side. I'm gonna hold this boat, and I'm just gonna paddle us in.
Oh, something is moving.
Oh, yeah, maybe go to the back.
All right.
All right.
Am I safe here?
You're safe here. I'm gonna turn us around. I'm gonna go right. We've got no sail, so.
Well, good thing you have a paddle.
Yeah. See if I can do this.
It's giving you shit trouble. Now I know why you're so cautious. We don't want to go on adventures, you know, with Mimi. Don't give me trouble all the time.